Hi everybody, welcome to Maisa Academy. I am Maisa Suresh from Bawapur K, Khanapur Mandal, Nirmal District, Telangana State. I have completed Masters in Computer Applications from National Institute of Technology, Warangal, and graduated from Andhra Pradesh Residential Degree College, Nagarjuna Sagar. From 6th class to plus 2, I have studied in Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Sirpur Kagaznagar, Adilabad district. I have 6 years of experience in teaching quantitative aptitude, reasoning, both verbal and non-verbal, which includes logical reasoning, critical reasoning or analytical reasoning, and mathematics for different competitive exams and academics. Now we will discuss Vedic mathematics of part 1. The source of Vedic mathematics is Vedas, or Vedic mathematics originated from Vedas. To be more specific, it has originated from Atharva Veda, the fourth Veda. It deals with the branches like engineering, mathematics, sculpture, medicine, and all other sciences. It provides tricks, shortcut methods to simplify addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, arithmetic, and algebraic operations. Vedic mathematics is efficient and accurate, easy to learn. Now we will discuss some of the tricks or shortcut methods to simplify squares and multiplications. Among those, squares of number having only one. First of all, we have to know what is square. For example, if it's 34 square means 34 into 34 means multiplying the same number 2 times. If it is 13 square means 13 into 13. Now squares of number having only one. We have to take a number in such a way that the number should consist of only one. So this logic we can implement only for the numbers having only one. For example, 11 square, 111 square, 1111 square, 11,111 square. If you check this 11 square, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So increase up to 2 and decrease up to 1. If it is 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1. You should not repeat 3 again. If it is 4 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1. If it is 5 digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you observe all these numbers from left to right and right to left, these numbers are same. So those numbers are said to be palindrome numbers. Now, squares of number ending with 5. Second one is squares of number ending with 5. Means 15 square, 25 square, 35 square, etc. If you take 15 square, this can be written as 15 into 15. First you have to multiply units digit. 5 into 5, 25. Keep 25 same. Next, 1 next number, 2. 1 into 2, 2. So 225 is the answer. If it is 25 square, 5 into 5, keep 25 here. 2 next number, 3. 2 into 3, 6. So whenever you are doing in the competitive exams, you should do in this way. You should not write all these. Just to make you clear, I have explained each and every step. So 35 square, 5 into 5, 25, keep 25 always. 3 next number, 4. 3 into 4, 2. If it is 45 square, keep 25. 4 next number, 5. 4 into 5, 20. If it is 55 square, keep 25. 5 next number, 6. 5 into 6, 30. If it is 65 square, keep 25. Next number, 7. 6 sevens are 42. And this method is also useful for decimal values. For example, if it is 7.5 whole square. Here, first you should assume that there is no decimal points are there. Then 75 square it will be. So 5 into 5, 25. 7 next number, 8. 7 into 8, 56. How many decimal points are there? 2 decimals, because 7.5 into 7.5, 2 decimal points. And this method is also applicable for 3 digits. For example, if it is 605 whole square or 605 whole square, here we should assume 60 as 1 unit. So 5 square, 25 you have to keep. Then 60 as 1 unit. Then 60 into 61 we have to take. So 60 into 60, 3600. 60 into 1, 60. So 3660. 3660. So 3,66,025 is the answer. Next, multiplication of 2-digit numbers whose units sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. So this property is applicable only for the numbers whose units sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. For example, if you take 42, if I want to multiply 42 into 48, can I implement this property? Yes, because 2 plus 8 or 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Unit sum is equal to 10 and 4 tens digit is same for the both numbers. So we can implement this property. So next, multiply units digit. 2 into 8, 16. 4 next number, 5. 4 into 5, 20. That's why in the previous slide we have discussed 45 whole square, that is equal to 25. 5 into 5, 4 next number, 5, 20. Here 45 into 45, unit sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. That is the reason we will implement for the numbers, squares of number ending with 5. If I want to multiply 73, what should present here? Tens digit should be same, 7. And units sum is equal to 10. As already 3 is present, so I have to keep 3. 7. 3 into 7, 21. 7 next number, 8. 7 into 8, 56. So 5621. If I want to multiply 91, then I have to keep 99 here. This property is only applicable for the numbers whose unit sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. 1 into 9, you have to keep 09 because 4 digits you will get. 9 next number, 10. 9 into 10, 90. If it is 44, then I have to keep 46. So 24, 4 next number 5, 20. If it is 62, then I have to keep 68. 2 into 8, 16. 6 into 7, 42. So this is a trick which can be used for the 2-digit numbers whose unit sum is equal to 10 and tens digits are same. Next, squares of number having only 3. Means this trick can be used for only the numbers whose having only 3. For example, if it is 33 square, so number having only 3's, how many digits are there? 2 digits. So you will get 4-digit value. 2 into 2, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What is 3 square? 9. You have to keep 0, 9. At the end, keep 9 here. The remaining 3 digits, middle value keep 0. 0 next number 1. 9 previous number 8. So 1089 is the answer. If it is 333 square, as it is 3 digits, you will get 3 into 2, 6 digits. 6. Then keep 9 here. At the middle keep 0. 0 next number 1, keep 1, 1. And 9 previous number 8, 8. If you observe here, if 3 digits are there, you are getting 2 times 1, 2 times 8. If it is 2 digits, you are getting 1 time 1 and 1 time 8. If it is 4 digits, 3333 whole square. Then as it is 4 digits, 3 times 1, 0, 3 times 8, 9. If it is 5 digits, 33,333. As it is 5 digits, you have to keep 4 ones. 4 times 1, 0. 4 times 8, 9. Now, squares of number having only 6 means the number should consist of only 6's. For example, if it is 66 square, this is also implemented as per the squares of number having only 3. 2 digits are there, you will get 4 digits, 2, 3, 4. So 6 square is equal to 36. Keep 6 at the end, middle 3, 3 next number 4, 6 previous number 5, 4, 3, 5, 6. See here, you have to keep next value first and previous value second. M, N, O, P, N first, P next, N next value, previous value. If it is 666 square, as it is 3 digits, you will get 2 times 4, 3, 2 times 5, 6. If it is 4 sixes, 6666 square, as it is 4 sixes are there, 3 times you will get 4, 3, 3 times you will get 5, 6. If it is 5 sixes, 66,666 square, as it is 5 digits, 4 times you have to write 4, then 3, 5, 4 times you have to write 5, then 6. Squares of numbers having only 6's. Next, squares of number having only 9 means 99 square. How many digits you will get? 4 digits. This is also implemented as per squares of numbers having only 3 and 6. So 9 square 81. At the end, keep 1 here. Middle value 8. 8 next number 9. And 1 previous number 0. So 9801. If it is 999 square, 999 square. So as it is 2 digits, you have to write 2 times 9, 8. 2 times 0, 1. If it is 4 digit, 9999 whole square. As it is 4 digits, you have to write 3 times 9, 8. 3 times 0, 1. If it is 5 digit, 99,999 whole square. Then 4 times you have to write 9, 8. 4 times you have to write 0, then 1. Next, squares of 2 digit numbers having 1 at units place means 11 square, 21 square, 31 square, 41 square, 51 square means you can implement for the numbers whose having units digit as 1. So we will take 21 square first. 21 square. It is very difficult for us to calculate with 21 square, but it is very easy for us to calculate with 20 square. So first we will go with a detailed explanation, then directly we will implement the logic. So 20 plus 21 you have to take. Base value you have to take as 20 because 21 is near to 20 plus 20 square. 20 plus 21 41 plus 20 square 400. So answer is 441. If it is 31 square, 30 plus 31 61. 30 square 900. So answer is 961. If it is 41 square, 40 plus 41 81 plus 40 square 1600. So answer will be 1681. If it is 61 square, 60 plus 61 121 plus 60 square 3600. So 3600 plus 121 3721. Next, multiplying any number with 11. Multiplying any number, whether it is 2 digit number, 3 digit number, 4 digit number, 5 digit number, any number by 11, how to calculate. So for example, if it is 32 into 11, I want to do. So keep 3 and 2. 3 at left hand side and 2 at the right hand side. From right hand side to left hand side you have to add 2 plus 3 5. So 352 is the answer. If you take 456 3 digit number into 11, keep 4 and 6. 6 plus 5 11. 1 carry forward. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1 5. So 5016 is the answer. If for example, if I want to multiply 6384 into 11, keep 6 and 4 here. 4 plus 8 12. Keep 2. 1 carry forward. 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 1 12. 1 carry forward. 3 plus 6 9. 9 plus 1 10. 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1 7. So 70,224 is the answer. If it is 472 into 11, I want to do. So keep 4 and 2. 2 plus 7 9. 7 plus 4 11. 1 carry forward. 1 plus 4 5. So 5192. Multiplication of numbers which are near to the power of 10. Power of 10 means 10 square, that is equal to 10. 10 square 100. 10 to the power of 1 10, or 10 cube 1000. 10 to the power of 4 or 10 to the power of 5, 10 to the power of 6, that is power of 10. For example, I want to multiply 98 into 97. 98 which is near to 100 and 97 which is near to 100. So this can be multiplied. 98, how much less than 100? Minus 2 you have to keep. As it is less than 100, you have to keep minus 2. 97, how much less than 100? Minus 3. Multiply these two values, minus into minus plus 2 into 3, 6. You have to keep 0, 6. Multiply here. Next, 98 minus 3. Diagonally you have to subtract. 98 minus 3. You will get 95. And 95 is multiplied with 100, as we are comparing with 100 only. So 9500. So 9500 plus 6, that is 9506. This is also applicable for the numbers. One is more than 100 and another is less than 100. For example, if you want to take 103 into 96. I want to multiply 103 into 96. 103, how much more than 100? Plus 3. 96, how much more than 100? It is less than 100. 96, that is minus 4. So plus into minus, minus. Here you have to multiply. 3 into 4, 12. 103 minus 4, 99. Keep 2 zeros. So 9900 minus 12, that is 8. Again 8. 9888. And if I want to multiply 95 into 99, then 95, how much less than 100? Minus 5. 99, how much less than 100? Minus 1. So minus into minus plus, 5 into 1, 0, 5 you have to take. 95 minus 1, 94. Keep 2 zeros. So this is plus 9400. Next, multiplication of number with number having only 9 means you have to take any number, whether it is 2-digit number, 3-digit number, 4-digit number, 5-digit number, etc. And if it is multiplying with number having only 9 means 99, 999, 9999 or 99,999, etc. Then how to use the trick? For example, if it is 32 into 99, I have to do 32 into 99. Make sure that if you are taking a given number having 2-digit number, then the multiplying with the number having only 9 should be also 2-digit number. Then only we can implement this logic. So 32 into 99. First 32 minus 1, 31. Then 9 minus 3, 6. 9 minus 1, 8. So 3168 is the answer. For example, if it is 458 into 999, I have to do. So subtract 1 from it, 457. 458 minus 1, 457. Then 9 minus 4. multiplication of number with number having only 9. Sorry, 457 into 999. So you have to take 456, 457 minus 1, 456, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 5, 4, 9 minus 6, 3. So 9 minus 4, 9 minus 5, 9 minus 6. If I want to multiply 6784 into 9999, then minus 1 6783, then 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 8 1, 9 minus 3 6. If I want to multiply 456 into 999, then 455 you have to take, then 9 minus 4 5, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 5 4. It is 364 into 999, keep 363, then 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 6 3, 9 minus 3 6, 3,63,636. So these are the different shortcut methods for multiplying and doing squares where we will use in Vedic mathematics. So thank you for watching this video. For any queries, suggestions and for special classes, please contact me. That is Maisa Suresh. My WhatsApp number is 9959 440531. You can contact me to this number also. The mail ID is maisaacademy2020@gmail.com. If you like this video, please subscribe and share to your friends.